Hello, my name is Chip. I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here at Sparks Toyota. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Toyota Tundra 2-wheel drive SR5. It comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, step rails, and rear privacy glass. The 2014 Toyota Tundra remains a more than capable workhorse among full-size pickups. This Tundra has 18-inch styled steel wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare, splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tundra is in great condition. It has manual leveling, auto off, aero composite, halogen daytime running headlights, along with fog and drive lights, and is really nice black grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a very powerful 8-cylinder motor, 4.6 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Tundra has rear wheel drive and has a 26.4 gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that the Tundra only has 42,855 miles on it. At the back of the Tundra you can see the cargo lamp, the power sliding rear window, and the bed cover, along with the tow package, the step bumper, and large brake lights. In the back seat, you'll notice the Tundra has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders, power outlet, door bins, as well as the seat back storages. These seats fold up, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice metal looking interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Tundra is also equipped with a locking glove compartment, in-dash storage, and delay off interior lighting. Here are the easy to reach controls on the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and power window with driver one touch down. This Tundra has a very comfortable tilting steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home for your Intune multimedia feature and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice recognition. You also have large climate control, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.